Amazing morning. So it is Saturday. I don't have work and no training to attend to. So we are gonna take our barley on the right way. Okay, so it's supposed to be with an empty stomach. I kinda just woke up. So we're gonna mix our barley together. I always take 2 barley a day. Okay? Water, barley, stir it. Since I don't drink just a regular water, I always make sure it's warm. We're gonna add a little bit of hot water. Warm, cold, just no boiling hot, okay? Because we don't want to kill all the enzyme that the barley has. Ready to drink my barley. Six to 8 micronutrients, and I'm ready for today.